So about 5 years ago, our daughter was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, and it is just a brutally horrific disease. It is such a hard disease to manage. Right around the time our daughter was diagnosed, I started doing a lot of research about type 1 diabetes. How close are we to a cure? I didn't know about 5 years ago, so I started to look into it. About a year into me doing this research, there started to be some very exciting breakthroughs going on with a company called Vertex. Vertex figured out how to take a stem cell and mature it into a fully functioning islet cell so they could have an unlimited supply of these cells to cure type 1 diabetes. Fast forward to today, Vertex has about 10 patients that we know of that are off of insulin. These patients are on immunosuppression, but they are off of insulin. They are cured of type 1 diabetes. And then about 6 months ago, a company out of Seattle figured out how to genetically modify beta cells so that the immune system could not detect them. This approach is how you're going to cure millions of children with type 1 diabetes because there's no immunosuppression required. The point I'm trying to make is that this really exciting research, it really only started about 5 years ago. People with type 1 diabetes for 30, 40, 50 years, they have been told that a cure is just around the corner. It's just 5 years away. That's the joke that everybody tells. But since about the year 2020, you can actually say that now. In the United States, there's about 2 million people living with type 1 diabetes. Worldwide, there's about 8 to 9 million. The great majority of type 1 diabetics worldwide, they don't know about this research going on right now. So about a year and a half ago, I started a Facebook group called Crushing T1, and my goal was to get as many people in that group as possible so that I could spread the word of this very exciting research going on. We actually have something to be very excited about within the type 1 diabetes community. So if you know anybody affected by type 1 diabetes, or if you are affected by it in any way, please follow my Crushing T1 page on Facebook. Please follow me here on TikTok. I will be bringing you every single update about type 1 diabetes to these two groups. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.